Thank you for joining us for this watercoloring demonstration of waterfalls. We will be showing how we painted this. The colors we shall be using: fluorescent orange, vermilion hue, red, Chinese white, lemon yellow, spring green, yellow, crimson, ivory black, forest green, olive drab, sky blue, brown, and A5 size medium texture watercoloring sheet. Let's begin. Like always, start our painting by drawing an outline. Let's take a little bit of lemon yellow, spring green, and significantly dilute with fluorescent orange in consistency. Use fluorescent orange along with dark brown for background trees and make a gradient look. Now let's tone by rolling over spring green and make a leaves effect. We'll take up ivory black for mountains effect. Let's take up sky blue for water flow surfaces. For more surface color info, check out on the above link. As we keep saying, art has no limit, and this is not the only way to approach watercoloring. This is just one approach from one artist. There are so many options and possibilities with art. So we hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a like if you did, and be sure to subscribe for more watercolor painting, time lapses and tutorials. We are wishing you all a beautiful and inspiring day, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye!